Hey everyone, Miss Kabumba here. Now let's get into this upcycling tutorial. You're gonna need a hoodie. I use this light pink hoodie from our den that I'll be cutting up and turning into something cute. And I have this romper that I'm just gonna add little adjustments to. Also, have some fabric that matches your hoodie. You're gonna need this, and I'm gonna show you why. And I have these little bows. These were gifted to me, and you'll see how I use it to accessorize. You see the back of these bows? I'm going to remove those because I will be sewing them onto some of my clothes. Yeah, let's get into this process. Step 1, starting with the romper. I just want to thank you all for watching this video. I have so much love for each and every one of you. Now let's get started. Once you have the romper, lay it flat on your table, your floor, your bed, wherever you're starting. And then you grab the bows. I told you I removed the pins. And you're gonna sew it onto the romper. I basically placed it in an area where I would find cute. So I placed it just like above my hips, the area right above my hips. And this is how you place clothes onto your sewing machine, so you can sew the bow onto it and not sew and close the whole thing so your leg can go through. Once you know how to work a sewing machine, this is really easy. You just have to do a straight stitch forwards and then back so it closes. So I put the white bow on, and then I started sewing it forwards. You can see the machine moving. And then I hold the reverse button so it goes in reverse, just as I told you. I added pink ones as well. And then I sewed the romper to make sure it's a little lifted from those corners, just so people can see the bows when I wear it. These are the results. I'm loving it. I think it's so cute. Such a simple, cute upcycle. Now we're getting into the bow hoodie, because this is the bow inspired outfit. All right, with the hoodie, all I did was cut it in half. So I cut the bottom horizontally, and then I also cut it vertically. Right now, I'm showing you guys where I want to add the bow after cutting the hoodie horizontally and vertically. So, what I did is that I sewed the hoodie just through the middle. And I have a part of the hoodie that I cut, and I'm going to do a straight stitch. You're going to see it right here. And this is important when making the bow. Do a straight stitch and then hold, reverse it. And keep doing a straight stitch until you reach the bottom. And then reverse it. Then at this point, you're just going to cut the extra thread. Release and cut. All right, so this is an extra part of fabric I had after cutting the hoodie. I'm showing you exactly where I'd sew it straight down, and then when I pin it down there, it's gonna turn into the bow on top of the hoodie. Very cute, very coquette. This is fabric from the hoodie, as I showed you, that I sewed just one straight seam. And remember that extra long part I had? Yeah, that's gonna go in the middle. I'm just gonna pull it through the hoodie. And then you're gonna see me lay it all down so it's straight. So I just want to make sure nothing's crumpled up. And as I pull it tighter and tighter, I'm able to shape up the bow in the shape that I like. Because you don't want it lopsided or anything. I keep playing around with it until I get to a point where I really, really like it. And I say, all right, no more touches. So just keep playing around with the sizing and keep tightening it up. And sew it. Step 3 is the bow clip. So I have this bow clip right here that's blue. I bought that from Claire's and I realized, why not make my own? I don't want to make a really big one because I got really big hair. This is the fabric that I cut from the pink cloth that I had. This isn't the hoodie fabric, this is pink cloth. So y'all saw how I did a straight stitch on the fabric earlier. That's basically what I'm going to use. Like that method I showed you right earlier for the hoodie, I'm going to use it in making this bow. The only difference of here, instead of sewing it in the middle so it stays still, I'm going to be hot gluing it. Because it is easier to just hot glue it, and it is just an accessory. Now I'm showing you how the bow looks like. It's really just that easy. Making bows is the easiest thing, as long as you have any form of fabric and you have a sewing machine to straight stitch it from the back so you don't have any threads sticking out. Perfect. And then I hot glued it. And remember those bows I had? And I said how I'm going to be removing the pins. Now I'm using those pins because I want to use a huge bow in my hair, because I want this outfit to be completely designed by me. And as the final touches, I want to show you the leg warmers. So for the leg warmers, you're going to need pink fabric, right? I'm showing you exactly where I'd sew it. I'd sew it from that left side, so it's wearable, and that is going to be sewed from the top. Right now I'm doing a straight stitch down so it becomes wearable. I do recommend, if you have stretchy fabric, try working with that more, because I realized with the leg warmers it may have been easier to just wear and sew it stretchier fabric for sure. And here are the final results. Yep, I mean, you saw this clip earlier in the beginning. It's the only video I had in this fit. Thank you so much for watching. Here's some pictures of my family while we were out at our event. Once again, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye!